When life was just getting started, two wanderers ventured on a journey to explore the unexplored into a valley unknown to humans. Making their way through lush green terrain, balancing every move.
We have descended almost around 100 meters and you can see the sign of plus right in the middle of the valley.
Looks fun, right? But do you think exploring a place is that easy? Especially when you have no clue about the destination. Yet they kept on moving, kept on stumbling in search of the perfect canyon.
It's getting tough.
Our wanderers continued to descend, trying to go as deep as possible, but it looked like destiny had other plans for them.
3 p.m. in the afternoon and we have descended around 1000 feet and here we are in the middle of the valley. But now it's getting late and I guess the weather is getting worse, so we'll be heading back.
As they say, there's a time to live, there's a time to die, but it's not today.